Okay. Good morning, all from Indonesia. Um, well, obviously, like the title says, I'm not gonna draw anything today. I'll get to that reason why. Again, like the title says, I just wanted to let you know, whoever gonna watch this video stream later after this is done, this is going to be a very short stream. If you take a look at my video feed, last week I made this artwork and I said I'm going to try to sell this. I'm going to try to learn and study about the hype about the NFT art, and so I did. Well, I don't exactly fully know what it is, still learning about it, so I will learn as I go. So apparently I put this artwork at OpenSea.io, and I sell it through there. This part of my English sucks, but I'm trying my best. And of course, the artwork itself, it's not gonna sell itself, so I had to learn a couple of things, and from what I learned is Twitter is a good way to promote the artwork relentlessly. So well, I guess less than 1 week since I posted on that OpenSea store, I made sale. So this guy, not sure you can see that. This guy now owns this piece of art, basically. For example, that I haven't sold yet. Let's say this one. I haven't sold this one. Actually, I just sold one. But to me, it was enlightening, and realizing that this thing is not some hoax or some BS. Oh, it's real. I guess it's real. Yeah. See this on my account, it says it's owned by me, and this one no longer owned by me. I sold this. Well, the prices are open for the public to see. So I sold this at 0.15 Ethereum, and that's the currency, Ethereum. So that's about let me open this calculator stuff. It's about, in US dollar, is 271, more or less. 271 US dollar. As you can see here, I put it up as 0.2, and well, bargaining happened, and the buyer and I made a deal with the 0.15. Oh, well, that's about it. I put it on my Twitter because I was so excited. My first NFT sold. Yeah, so this is real. I mean, I thought this is just BS, you know. I thought this was BS. And there's no such thing as easy money. It's not easy. The promoting, I have to relentlessly post on people's comments on Twitter. Well, like a traveling salesman, basically. But I did. So I think I'm going to continue this. But for me, it's a lot better than doing commission. Not that I'm not grateful if I have a commission coming, but this is different. This is different. And apparently, if your buyer sell this art that they have bought, we as the artists still get commission. I mean commission, like I get 10% cut of their sale. And from the people who have taught me about this thing is that if that other person sells it again to the third person or the fourth person and so on, I will still keep getting 10% of whatever it is the price will be in the future. So that's interesting, don't you think? That's very interesting. Well, that's about it. I mean, that's the basic idea, I think. If you want to know more about this thing, about NFTs, about selling your own art, yeah, well, like most people, you can just Google it. But you can also find some Discord groups, or maybe I can help just a little because I'm still learning. I can help whenever I'm streaming next time. If you happen to drop by and you have questions, I will help if I can, because I don't know everything. I've been only in this business for like less than a week, so not much to tell. But I did made sale. I did sold something. So that's that. So hopefully this opens a way. And I know, why am I saying this, is that I know people like us artists, you know, we're struggling to get our art to the world, you know, and get what do you call that, recognition for it, you know. And just being ourselves, drawing what we like, and people buy that, have interest in that, and that is amazing. That is very amazing. At least to me, it's amazing. And that's that. You can see how I made this artwork on the last week's video. Should still be there if Twitch hasn't deleted, I think. No. If not, I also have a speed up version of it recorded about 10 times speed. I put it on my YouTube, and I will put the link on the video description later after this stream is done. And the next thing I want to say is that I was actually planning to have every Tuesday to stream, but apparently now with this thing going on also, I'm going to stream at least once a week. but I'm not sure it's going to be Tuesday, or it's going to be Wednesday, or it's going to be Friday. I don't know. I can't tell. Depends. So I'm removing the schedule that I have, and that's that. It's not like I have a lot of viewers, I have a lot of followers. No, no. I have 19 followers. Thank you for all of those who have followed me. Uh, Hopefully it will grow. If not, it's okay. um, the good thing about it is also that since I'm streaming and I'm always downloading the recording of the stream, I have proof that one day in the future, when my art is scattered all over the world, I can have proof that I am the one who made that. So I guess that's it for the stream and an announcement. I'm sure no one's here yet, and probably nobody's here. Okay. Hello there, whoever. So that's it about the stream. I am hoping that tomorrow or maybe the day after I will stream again, making new art, and of course I'm going to sell that also. And to whoever watched this later on, a little tip from me probably: just be ourselves. Maybe I know it's just one item sell. It's so hard, but just be ourselves. And I mean, you sell whatever you like, apparently. Drawing skills levels doesn't seem to matter. Matters maybe the taste of the person who has interest in you, in your work, I mean. Well then, I'll see you next time. I hope this video can be helpful for some people.